maybe I've been wasting time. My state of mind's been a little hazy lately, but I stay alive. Come take a dive inside my head, feeling down but never out, I'm hanging by a thread.
Yeah. I see it up one of them, might as well get it done. Yeah. If I see it on one of them, I might as well get it. You only live once, so I might as well spin it apart from the past. I'm like, good riddance, won't sell my soul, so I'm like, forget it. I'm following my goals, yeah, I'm really committed. Niggas on the boat, and truth be told, you give them the rock, you gon' fumble and fold, yeah. Let's go. I had to give me a bag, I had to run it up fast. I'm talking really fast, felt like the Flash. Left them fake vibes in the past, these niggas be bitches like, where's your dad? Cops come knocking, I'm doing a dash, not going outside. Been there before, but this shit didn't last, yeah. How could you live in a lie when the truth is right in front of your fucking eyes? Bitch, you dumb, you blind, answer that question, I gotta know why. Yeah, tryna hold us hostage, but I'm still gon' grind. One thing about me, I'm for sure gon' grind. I'ma take what's mine, if you really about it, put your life on the line, yeah. I'm smoking that dope, keep me overheaded, I feel like I go, and that's just how it go. I'm preaching that shit, you can call me a pope. Created a wave out to my own road. No competition, I'm sitting on my throne. Shit getting crazy, so I might have to tote 40mm on top, just blow, yeah. Let's go. Never in a day would I catch a case, but if I did, might do the race. But no time for that, cause I'm trying to get paid in blue. Honest with a smile on my face, set a little brain, now it's time to vacate. Never really care what them folks had to say, cause at the end of the day, I'm an A-okay, and I'm gonna be great, yeah. I'm gonna be great, yeah. Never really care what them folks had to say. Niggas be talking, no food on they plate, yeah. No food on they plate, but I really love to hate. Use that shit and motivate, yeah. If I see it on one, and I might as well get it. You only live once, so I might as well spin it apart from the past. I'm like, good riddance, won't sell my soul, so I'm like, forget it. I'm following my goals, yeah, I'm really committed. Niggas on the boat, and truth be told, you give them the rock, you gon' fumble and fold, yeah. Let's go.
Nigga fumble and fold. Thought you was my dog, but you in the toe. Ain't beefing about it, bitches plenty more. I'ma run up that money, casino hoe. Ain't really need it. Going for it, I ain't think about the past. Remember them times had a certain home for you to make it, really gotta touch you. Them niggas, they envy, watch a nigga get to the top. OG taught me a better man. Pops left when they had a remember them days I was skipping school. Yeah, I hopped in the booth. They like, damn, Kim, what got into you? Nigga, they really be snake. These bitches, they change over time. Just like I'm trying to get rich off of rhymes. Your nigga had to see all the shit over time, and now I believe it. Yeah.
If I see it on one, I might as well get it. You only live once, so I might as well spin it apart from the past. I'm like, good riddance,